to install the frame holder. First, prepare these accessories: 3mm Allen key, 4mm screws with flat washer, frame holder base, and 4 frames. Move the X-rail bar aside to easily install frame holder base. Put the frame holder base under the X-rail bar. Align the 3 holes on the holder base and the X-rail bar. Please note that the correct installation method is when the groove faces outward. Tighten the screws counterclockwise from bottom to top with a 3mm Allen key. Don't fully tighten any screws. At first, just fix them all in loosely. Then go back and tighten them up. For the largest hoop, use 3mm Allen key to install the frame holder on the 1st, 3rd holes. For other frames, just install the frame holder on the 2nd, 4th holes. And then slide the frame. When taking the frame out, remember to lift the back of frame a little first. How to install the flat table? First, prepare these accessories: 4mm Allen key, hexagon screw columns, 6mm screws, flat table. Unscrew these for screws. Tighten these 2 hexagon screw columns with Allen keys. Then put the flat table inside and make sure the side with the groove is facing up. Use 4mm Allen keys to tighten these for screws.